Okay, so let me use something else just so in case you're thinking about becoming a woodworker. And if you can afford a Festool Domino, why this makes woodworking so easy, so simple. If you want to connect two pieces of wood, there's a traditional way to do it. Let's see, let's go this way. So you can do is you can get a machine, or you can use a drill and some chisels, and you can make a very precise hole. And it can take a long time. And then you need a router or table saw or something. And what you'll do is you'll slice away a third of the wood up here, a third of the wood up here, and you'll create, and you'll trim that off there. And then that will plug into the hole. So you need a piece long enough. I am using pieces that are barely long enough to do what I want them to do. And so all I have to do is put them together, and then the domino will make a hole where they just plug together like that. So super simple, super easy. Think of it this way. You have wood and Legos are kind of similar. They go great this way. It's super easy to just keep, have something long like this, and then you have pieces where you can support them. They can stack like building a house. So there's good support there. But when it comes to furniture making, you need them to plug into each other. And so that's where the floating tenon comes in. If you can use the domino, you're basically creating a way to connect the wood so it just goes like that. And you can make that connection. You can come over here. They don't make one of these for that. But now you have the makings of a table. You have the makings of a dresser. You have all the ways to connect something at an angle, not just this right angle, because this will adjust back and forth so you can make angled holes for angled connections. So I love this machine, and I think if you get one, if you can afford it, you will too. And if you need to be more productive, you need to think about this as an investment. The Festool has a pretty amazing warranty. 90 days, I think you can try it out, send it back, no questions asked, is the last time I checked. And then I think it's a 3-year warranty on parts and everything else. So anyways, I need to start making some domino holes. I hoped visualizing this, just being able to cut the parts, lay them out. With my yellow lines, there they are. So just lay them out and basically be able to plug things together with this piece right here. That is a real time saver, and for a lot of people, it can be a real game changer. All right, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this is helping you out. I have this piece right here. It hooks on. Let's see. Gotta be kidding me. Ugh.